Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to give Euro's C6 a go in this video. So there are multiple ones, but I'm going to start with the C6 Coupe SWM Matsuri Levi car. So it uses WDT comp physics and SVM tires. So I haven't actually driven the WDT comp cars before and not sure what the SVM tires are from. But it does make 345 horsepower, 534 Newton meters. And the weight's not listed there, but in the data, it's 1350 kilos. So with that, let's jump in. All right, so in the C6, I'm going to start out at Higashi. So the car looks like it's modeled really well. It makes the right noises. I haven't driven Higashi for a while, but I've had some practice before making this video. I definitely won't be able to do the whole track and link it in one go with this car, but we'll just see how we go. It is a fun track in certain sections. Oh, off on the grass already. Mess that corner up. But yeah, it's got some stickers over there. Looks like a Hydro and animated. Yep. Probably could have just waited to the corner to actually test it. So I guess realistically this car doesn't make a huge amount of power. But I would have thought third gear would have been able to hold most of these corners, but I end up dropping back to second a lot. And I think what throws me is it's not clear in VR, so I can't really see, but I'll just do these corners first. Oh, I guess send that out. Nope. The speedo's in miles per hour. So I'm used to kilometers, so I'm probably going faster than I think in third gear. Up on the grass again. Alright, let's see if we can get this without going onto the grass this time. Sort of. I do like the heads-up display. Not that I use it, but it's just a neat little feature that's been modeled into a Seto. Alright, I do like this section if you can get it right, but I find it a bit difficult in this car. So your second gear down the bottom. Alright, so the two parts I do like of the track are the entry here. If you can get fourth, can't talk and drift at the same time. You can get your entry right there. It's a nice corner. And then the second main part I like of this track, kind of all over the place, is this section down here. If you can get this right. So an entry, reverse entry into it. And then the rest of the track's okay, but let's see if we can get this section right. Oh, at least it stayed on the track. I just can't hold third up the hill here. It's got the gear stick wobble. You back off, it should stop. Yep. Oh, I'm not going fast enough at fourth, but we can try and go flick. Out that way. It stuffs up the entry every time. Try one more entry. do like Higashi. It is a faster track, but it can be well, it is difficult compared to the other Ibisu tracks. Keep it out. Thought I was in third then, but I definitely can't link that down to this bottom section. And just redline second up the hill. Alright, one more entry, see if we can get this correct this time. Alright, fourth. It was a bit messy, but at least made it around better than the last two. I'm going to change over to the default drift track. Alright, we're back on the Kunos drift track, just to do my normal layout. Because I like to do it to be familiar with all the cars, so just in second at the moment. It's a fine third gear. I've tried on this corner up here, but I just can't get third to keep going. Maybe I'm not going fast enough, or maybe the car's going faster than I think it is, because so the speedo really throws me being in miles per hour. But the car's fairly easy to drift and it feels nice. I might have to try the World Drift Tour Pro cars or Com cars and see what they're like. I kind of moved away from their street packs just because they feel a bit funny to me now. But this doesn't feel too bad. And I think a lot of that is probably the tyres as well, not just the physics. Alright, we'll try third around the outside. So I'm just running out of power, it feels like. Slide to the edge of the track. Just a little bit of bash in third. Probably threw it in a bit early there. Try it in reverse. Alright, third. We'll go back to second, try and drive it through. Felt like a big straight knot. Over rotated the car. But this does, feel nice. Even though it's only in the lower 300s. Like second gear feels good. Oops, just move backwards. I was looking in the mirror because there's just lots of smoke and I'll see if I can turn around and see it, but maybe it's the gearing as well, like second gear feels too low, but third gear is not low enough. At least for my driving. So we'll try third again. So if I keep the speed up, I can get third to go, but slow down for these corners, I just can't. Handbrake. Let's see if we can do a backy down the straight. let off the track. It always takes me a couple attempts until I'm kind of used to the car. Let's hold third. Oops, second's too low for. So having in a second just threw me out and slid too far. I was trying to read the stickers. They're a lot clearer in the video because I record off the screen, but in the VR headset everything's a bit more blurry than what you see in the videos. Beautiful. Alright, I don't remember what I actually did then, so I'm going to go back and try one more back. Something's causing my computer to stutter again. Alright, third. Just keep driving it. Didn't feel great, but I have to see what it looks like in the footage. So yeah, I really don't mind this car. I like the torque of the engine, the sound they use for it's good. The car's modelled quite well. It seems to handle okay. It seems to handle good, to be honest. Be interesting to do some research and see what the tyres are from, though. See if they actually grip. So that was the thing I didn't like about the WTC street cars, is you just accelerate and the back would step out. So this holding it flat actually seems to just push the car forward instead of just spinning the tyres and going sideways, at least from a straight line anyway. But yeah, it was a great recommendation trying these cars. Hold it. Won't hold that. What that? Nah. Yeah, it's another one to add to the list. It was a good car to try. With that, thanks for watching, guys.